Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Retool starter apps for internal tools, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Retool website. Once there, look for the Get Started button and click on it. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your email and password, then click on Sign Up. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created account. In the Retool dashboard, locate the Starter Apps section. Click on it to explore the available templates for internal tools. Browse through the list of starter apps. Choose an app that fits your needs. Once you've selected an app, click on the Use this app button. Retool will prompt you to customize the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to modify the app as needed. After customizing, click on the Save button. You can now deploy the app to your internal tools. To download the app, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Export to generate a downloadable version of the app. Choose your preferred format from the available options. Once the export is complete, save the file to a secure location. You are now ready to integrate your Retool starter app into your internal systems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.